everyone, welcome back to Tech TV. In today's tutorial video, I'm gonna guide you through how to log in to Berkshire bank account from your computer. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your online banking account for Berkshire Bank, open up a web browser. In the URL box, type in www.berkshirebank.com and press enter. Doing so will take you to the official webpage of Berkshire Bank, which looks like this. From the main homepage, you'll be able to find a login link at the top right-hand corner. Give it a click and this will bring up your login area. Select an area where you'd like to end up as soon as you log in from the drop down and click it on. Now, enter your user ID in the user ID text box. Make sure to enter the information correct. Once you do that, you can click the continue button. On the next page, click on continue with security code, since you'll need to go through an extra layer of security in order to log into your account. Now, select your phone number from the option and select whether you'd like to receive a call in order to verify your mobile number or a text message. Once you select an option, click continue. Now, a text message with a one-time security code has been sent to your mobile number associated with your bank account. Simply enter the one-time security code in the text box and click the submit button. Soon after you verify your phone number, you'll be able to log into your Berkshire online banking account quick and easy. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.